These are some of the functions of string a equal to abc 1 to 3. In this abc, a is capital letter. It checks whether there are any alphanumeric numbers or not. If it is alphanumeric, it returns true. Is it decimal? If it is decimal, it returns true. If it is not only decimal, it returns false. Is it lowercase? No. Here you can see the output. Are they printable? True. Is it only digit? False. Is it space? False. Now let me change the value. Now I'm making only numbers. Then this false will become true. 1, 2, 3. Then let us check whether this particular function returns true or not. Here is the line. Let me execute it. Here you can notice it became true. Now all lower, let us check this function. ABC, all lower letters. Here you can notice it is throwing true. It is returning true. So there are n number of functions we have. It's time to explore those functions too.